In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install McAfee on your Mac. If you've been concerned about protecting your computer from viruses and ensuring your important files remain safe, using a reputable antivirus software can make all the difference. Let's get started on securing your Mac with McAfee Total Protection. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the McAfee Total Protection webpage. This can be done by simply opening your preferred web browser and searching for McAfee Total Protection. Once you're on the official page, you'll usually find options to either purchase or download the software if you've already completed the purchase. It's essential to ensure you're on the right site to avoid phishing attempts or fake downloads. Now, once you've located the download section, the next step is logging into your McAfee account. To do this, you'll find a login button on the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to do so. Having your account set up is crucial as it enables you to manage your subscription and receive updates. After you're logged in, you should find yourself on the McAfee homepage. This is your central hub for managing your antivirus protection. From the homepage, navigate to the McAfee Protection Center. This section of the site is where you can see all the devices connected to your McAfee account. Check status updates and manage your security settings. In the McAfee Protection Center, look for the option labeled Device. Click on this option. You will then be directed to view all the devices that are protected under your account. This ensures all your devices, including your Mac, are accounted for and listed for protection. Once you're in the device section, the final step to begin the installation on your Mac is to click on Antivirus. By selecting this, you'll initiate the installation of McAfee Total Protection onto your Mac. Follow the on-screen prompts that appear. These will typically involve downloading the installer file first, then running it to complete the setup. Be sure to follow any additional instructions given by McAfee to ensure a successful installation. And there you have it. You've now learned how to install McAfee on your Mac. Having antivirus software like McAfee installed will help to keep your computer safe from harmful viruses and threats. Remember to keep your software updated for the best protection and stay vigilant about cybersecurity threats. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.